I'm in the queue line now for Voltron powered by Nevera. Really looking forward to this, even though I have heard it can be a bit rough and rattly in some of the outside seats. It's just a case of pot luck, what seat we get. Looking down. Robotic here of Nikola Tesla. Look at that there, Leo. The car's going through. Tesla. There's wheels.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Moving loading platform. Voltron, powered by Nevera. Our first ride. Leo's nervous but excited, aren't you? Wow. That was good, wasn't it? See? And I was on one of the dreaded outside seats that are reputed to be very rough. It was a little, I suppose it was a little rough, so I could see if you rode it, if you marathoned it or kept riding it, you couldn't get a bit of a headache. It's a lot better than most of the rides, you know, rougher rides that I've sort of commented on Tyres Vlog. That was fantastic.
Guys, how was it?
World class.
World class. Oh, I want to get it right now.
You know you got
Not sure
first
where it
class.
sits in terms of my, you know, top 3, 4, 5 after this one ride. I was on one of the outside seats that are repeatedly rough on the second row.
Was it shaky?
And a little bit, but it wasn't. Hasn't given me a headache or anything. You know. Leo had the inside seats.
Yeah, me and you were going fast track.
Yeah, we're going on it now.
But yeah, brilliant coaster. It's up there. I think for me, just based on that one first ride on the car I was in, I'd maybe still say I'd put Rides of Happiness and Tutati slightly above it.
Okay, I'll see what I
That's
think
just my
then.
opinion on
I'll
what I
let you
like.
know.
And that's just based on that one ride though in that outside seats.
See what I think. Brilliant, really good coaster, but first off, gave me a headache.
We did.
That an outside
What?
seats.
What row were you in?
I was row the one before the back, and I was right on the
Row 3.
outside. Yeah, but
I was row 2
the second
on the
half,
outside.
I didn't get as much of a headache. But the first bit, I was like, ugh. But it's good. It's brilliant. It's just that rattle that spoils it.
Yeah.
But the elements on it are
I
amazing.
think it seems to depend as well
It's
what
definitely
train.
not. It's not crap my top 2 though.
It seems to depend, I think, what train you get, because apparently they've had a few problems, haven't they, with some of the trains.
Oh, the first bit, I was just like, I want to get off because it was just. But the second half, it got better.